Okay, I finally got this hemlock tree out of that 20-foot deep ditch. There's some videos on the channel. That was a struggle. A winch wouldn't pull these big ones out 10 foot long. That's 23 inches, I think, or 24 inches at the butt. So I had to cut them in half to get them out. And I even tried pulling them out with the tractor and just the rope and snapping ropes, because every time it would catch on a root or something trying to come off that bank, it just wouldn't do it. Now I did get a couple 10-footers out. Here's a decent one. That's 19 inches, and that 10-footer come out. There's 5-footers come right up and out. Once I got them over to an area that had a kind of a little, like a creek bed in it, and I was able to pull up there. So maybe if I could have got the whole log over there, I could have got a 10-footer out, but I couldn't get it over there. So anyway, I need, I think 600, a little over 600 square foot of siding. Hemlock siding for the new building I'm going to build, that workshop that I want to make look like an old log cabin. I need 600 square foot of siding for that. I cut a little over 100 square foot. I don't know that I'm going to get the rest of it out of this. I have a hemlock tree up there on that side hill of that same ditch that's been leaning for a lot of years. I keep figuring it's going to go over one of these, uproot and go over one of these years, but it's still leaning there. If I need more, that would be the tree I take, because it's going to go someday. But if I don't have to cut that tree, I won't. So what I think I'll do, I was going to pull all my logs down, get it all staged up and start cutting, but I think I'll cut this hemlock, see how much I have, and then go from there. And I have all these yellow pine logs up here. Staged. These are actually going to be floor joists, or some of these will be floor joists. They're cut 10 foot long. I think I'm probably going to start cutting them too, to see how many floor joists I have, because the other dimensions I need for like studs and rafters are different dimensions. So I cut these up, see where I fall as far as how many floor joists I have, and then we'll go from there. But that's the plan as of right now. Get these on the mill and start cutting. So I'll get set up and we'll see you on the mill.